The first thing we're going to do is prepare the dough. We need 2 cups of flour, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 eggs. I'm adding the 3/4 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to mix it. Now I'll make a little divot in the center where I will put the olive oil and the eggs. Next, I'm going to mix it using the machine. If you don't have one, you can mix it with your hands, but it'll take a little longer. I'm going to mix this for about 4 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes, and now you can see the mixture is a little chunky. I'm going to put it on my board and turn it into a ball. The mixture should feel a little hard and it shouldn't be sticky. We need to let this rest for about 30 minutes, so I'm going to put it back in the bowl. My dough has rested for about 30 minutes covered in saran wrap. I'm going to start by cutting the dough into 6 equal pieces. I'm going to keep the rest of the pieces covered in plastic while I form this one. I'm going to dust the board with flour. I probably won't need it, but just in case it sticks. Flatten your dough into a bit of a rectangle and then start rolling it with a rolling pin. When it's about a 1/4 inch thick, we're going to start putting it through the machine. On the lowest number first. Do it twice on that lowest number. Now I'm going to make it a little tighter, move 2 numbers up. Go 2 more numbers up. Every time I send it through, the pasta gets a little thinner. I'm going to go up 1 more time. Now I'm going to do another one. The machine was set to the thinnest position, so now I'm going to have to set it back to the starting position. twice on that number. Put it up another 2 notches. Two up again.